right now, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is leaking at a pace that's honestly hard to believe. Another unboxing video has surfaced online, this time revealing the device in the eye-catching Cobalt Violet color, shared by tipster phone nerd. Interestingly, he first described the unit as the black variant, but later clarified that it's actually the violet model. And after seeing it properly, it's clear this isn't just a simple purple shade. The cobalt violet finish has a deep, rich tone that shifts subtly under different lighting, giving it a bold yet premium personality. It feels refined, powerful, and unmistakably flagship. Compared to standard black or white options, this color stands out instantly and brings something fresh to the lineup. With so many leaks, hands-on clips, and even full unboxing videos already online, it genuinely feels like there might be very little left to reveal at Samsung's official launch event. At the same time, another well-known tipster, Karu Sahil, who recently uploaded a complete review of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, has now posted images showing what appears to be a large stock of units ready before launch. In his post, he joked that Dubai sellers are on another level, mentioning that Latin stock has reportedly already arrived in the market at surprisingly low prices. If true, this could mean retail inventory is already circulating in certain regions ahead of the official announcement, which is absolutely wild. The phone shown in the video is fully operational, powered on, explored through menus, and reviewed in detail. In terms of design, the Galaxy S26 Ultra clearly carries forward Samsung's premium Ultra identity. The frame looks more refined, the edges appear slightly smoother, and the overall construction maintains that solid flagship feel. The camera setup still features the bold, individually separated lens design, but with a cleaner, more polished finish compared to the previous generation. One of the biggest highlights from the leaked review is the new privacy display feature. From certain side angles, the screen appears darker and harder to read, suggesting built-in privacy filtering technology. If it performs as shown, this could be a significant upgrade for users who prioritize privacy while using their phones in public spaces. At this point, the Galaxy S26 Ultra feels almost completely revealed, even before its official debut. What are your thoughts on the cobalt violet finish and the new privacy display feature? Let me know, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.